Let's see if I remember how to do this. What is up, YouTube? My name is Brad. Welcome to the Workbench. It's been a little while. This is where I'm supposed to tell you where I've been and what I've been doing, but nobody really cares, so let's just get into the project. I got a really cool review for you today. It's a little bit different. It's kind of a family project. It's really funny to look back and see how my channel has changed over the last 4 or 5 years. Because now my once babies are bigger kids, and my youngest daughter loves being in the shop with me. So we're going to do a review and a little mini project, and my youngest daughter will give her first review. So let me show you what we got going on. Hey, that's new here. Just know that I'm in a very tiny 8x10 little shed shop thing that I've kind of created my own little space here. I make do with what I got, right? Most of the time when my youngest daughter wants to come out here, I pull that bin out or I pull this bin out, put a piece of wood on it, give her a couple clamps, a dull chisel, and she goes to town. She loves it. But I've always kind of felt bad for that. I want her to have her own little space. I want her to enjoy being out here with me. I was perusing Amazon and came across this. Workpro did send this to me. When I saw it, I reached out to him and I just said, hey, this is a really cool idea. I was gonna buy it. It's only like 50 bucks, right? But the timing just happened to be where they're doing a Father's Day thing. And they said, hey, let's work together on this. I said, sure, why not? Save me 50 bucks, gets me to get back into YouTube and do a project with my daughter. So what drew my attention to it was it's solid metal. It's an actual toolbox minus, you know, it doesn't have the really heavy duty oh Jesus words. It doesn't have the really heavy duty drawer slides or anything. It's kind of like just a metal tongue and groove almost, let's say that. But it works, you know, if you keep it lubed up, and it's not like it's going to be handling really heavy weight. Now, it comes with these little casters here, which I had on it for a minute, and it's 2 swivels and 2 fixed. And the way that you have to put them on makes it to where you have to push it this way and swivel this way. Well, my idea is to put it underneath that bench and just pull it out, push it under, pull it out. So I went ahead and ordered 4 2-inch casters, swivel casters, all locking, all swivel. And these are 10 bucks. But it's not just the box for the $54. It also comes with this unopened box of tools. Completely unopened, guys. And what we got in here, and you can also get this in blue, by the way. A little woodworking apron. Nice, nice. But actual tools. I was kind of impressed by this. I didn't expect this. But these are metal, like real tools. Like if you bought the mini tools that Workpro sells, this is probably pretty much what you're getting. So you got a pair of pliers, a hammer, little mini screwdrivers, and like I said, these can actually do work. Another screwdriver, a little level, and even a little tape measure, which stays pulled out when you pull it out, which I hate. But what's that metric doing on there? Get it out of here. A little mini hammer, although she already has her own woodworking mallet. With a lignum vitae head at that. I think this is Wenge. So that's what you get for your $54. Now I'm going to show you how I'm going to kind of improve it and make it more geared towards woodworking per se. Alright. First thing to any build, put a big old fat dip in. So I got busted already. What do you think of your toolbox? It's so little. You want a bigger one? Well, let's make do with this one. We're going to make it to where you can have your own little workbench and you can keep your tools in there. Do you want to help me finish it up? Yeah. Alright, let's get your safety glasses. That would be a good thing to include in your kit, Workpro, some safety glasses. Big, heavy one. You know they make littler ones too. We need to get you a set of little drills. That way they're not so heavy for you. You know who sells little drills? Workpro. Okay, so now we're going to glue over here. What are you going to hammer? Ow! Look, you pinched my finger. So I made these to the inside diameter here because I didn't plan on doing this. I just wanted to double stick tape that, but that didn't work. But since I made these to the inside, pretty much, it's not letting me attach them here because I'm having to bend too much. So we're going to take these off, and I'm going to have to make little spacers just to get these out a little bit. So let's get these off before the glue dries, okay, Caroline? It's something that happens, you know, you make plans and they don't work out, so you make new ones. Double tapped. Oh yeah, by the way, that's even a Workpro nail gun. I like Workpro, man. So there we go, the ragtag build is complete. She got drawers. It'll roll back and forth. Oh yeah, let me show you what I had planned for this little open space back here. So the idea behind that was that she could put this little vise or any kind of clamping tool she needs to clamp to the surface, she can put it on there because she constantly plays with my vices in the shop and does this. So now she can have her own. I also have this little bitty Stanley corner vise that she could use for it. I don't ever use that, but at least she'll leave mine alone and my tailstock alone now. So yeah, and then when she's not using it, she can store it under here. Any bigger tools that won't fit in the drawers can be stored under here. But I really like the little Workpro thing, and she'll have her own actual bench now. She has a better bench than I do now because I don't have a bench in here. How about that? Man, how y'all like my hammer? Purple Heart bougie ass hammer is what I call it. Alright, well there's a little workbench tucked up under my workbench. Nicely. Pull it out there. Normally she has a little step stool she'll sit on whenever she's playing around over here. If you turn around to the back, you see the vise will store right back there. She can take it out, put it on here. I never ended up sanding it because I thought about it. This is her toolbox. Why not let her work on it and sand all the edges and give her a project in itself rather than just color the damn thing. So definitely not one of my most well thought out projects. Really the double stick tape is what screwed me, but I mean she's not gonna care. She's gonna enjoy playing with this, and she's got her own place to store her tools now, and I think that's really important to kids, is just to have their own space for their own stuff, you know. So yeah, fun little project. Check out the Workpro Toolbox. I think it's a pretty good buy for 50 bucks, especially if you got a kid that's always getting into your stuff. They can finally have their own one. Like I said, it comes in pink or blue. And yeah, if you enjoyed the video, click like button, subscribe, all that YouTuber stuff. And yeah, we'll holler at you next time. Peace!